On Monday, Donald J. Trump Jr. tweeted this. It reads, "If I had a bowl of Skittles and told you just 3 would kill you, would you take a handful? That's our Syrian refugee problem." The parent company of Skittles and a lot of the internet isn't so happy with that comparison. Social media was in a frenzy, and political opponents like President Barack Obama's speechwriter dismissed Trump Jr. as inhumane for comparing millions of Syrians fleeing civil war and terrorism to candy. Wrigley, which makes Skittles, denounced that tweet too. The company sent a statement to The Hollywood Reporter that reads, "Skittles are candy, refugees are people. We don't feel it's an appropriate analogy." Beyond the human angle, Trump Jr. has faced criticism for his math. Mashable notes that estimating the number of Skittles in the bowl featured in the picture, Trump Jr. gives Americans a 1.9% chance of being killed by a Syrian refugee. But a recent study by the Cato Institute found the chances of being killed by a refugee of any nationality are 1 in 3.64 billion per year. Trump Jr.'s argument may not be too original either. Former Congressman Joe Walsh noted how similar Trump Jr.'s language was to a tweet he wrote last month. Syrian refugees have become a divisive issue this election. Donald Trump has argued a lot of them are ISIS. Hillary Clinton has said the US should accept 65,000 refugees. For Newsy, I'm Ryan Beek.